So what is up guys, welcome to my channel, and today's topic is whether your phone will work in the other country or not. So a lot of people in today's world are fond of traveling different places and trying various cuisines, and obviously they carry their electronic devices like smartphones, laptops, wireless speakers with themselves, and most of them have these types of follow-up questions in their mind, whether they will be able to access the internet connection in that particular country, because they have to upload pictures on social media sites and update their statuses. The second question is whether their phone will work there or not. If you are an international student or you are a traveler, then this video is specially made for you. So watch the video till end, because I don't want that you miss any precious knowledge about the topic. Make sure you subscribe the channel for latest updates, because I'm going to upload many exciting videos in the upcoming week. So if you want to check that whether your smartphone will work in the particular country or not, then you have to firstly open your Google Chrome browser, or it can be any other browser on your smartphone or on your laptop. Then you have to search Kimovil.com. Moreover, I will leave a link in the description box for this website. Then you can just directly go there. Kimovil is a website on which you can get the prices of the latest smartphones which are available in the market. This website provides a tool by which you can check whether your phone will work in different countries or not. Check the compatibility of frequencies, bands and network coverage of your smartphone with the operators of Canada. This is for Canada because I have chosen the country Canada here. You can choose any other country by clicking there. Most of the countries are available. This is for the Europe continent. So I will just search Canada. So these are the bands which are available in Canada, and these are the operators in Canada which provides these bands. Means if you are going to Canada, you have to buy the SIM from these types of operators. As we have Airtel, Jio in India, they have these types of operators in Canada, from where you can buy the SIM and access the internet connection. Now, 4 types of categories for phones. Firstly is the expensive one, which is Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now it's going to specify the searches and give me the result only for iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see that will Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max work in Canada or not. So there are 3 types of markets for iPhone 11 Pro Max. Firstly is the global market, second is the North America market, third is the China market. Now if you want to check that whether your operator is compatible for iPhone 11 Pro Max, then you can just scroll down and you can see here. For Bell, the bandwidths are available. For Chatter, the same. For Fido, all the bandwidths are available. For Public Mobile, Rogers, Telus, Videotron, Virgin Mobile, Free Mobile and Kudo, all the bandwidths are available for Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now if we move to the other category, which is, we can say, medium type, I would tell you about OnePlus 7T. Now it will tell me that whether OnePlus 7T will work in Canada or not. So OnePlus 7T is divided into 3 markets. Firstly, Southeast Asian, Global and North American. Now if we want to check whether the particular provider gives the bandwidth or not, then we have Bell. All the bandwidths are there for this type of phone. For Chatter, again all the bandwidths are available. For Fido is the same. Public, Rogers, Telus, Videotron, Virgin Mobile, Freedom Mobile, For Freedom Mobile, V66 is not available. For Kudo, all the bandwidths are available. So you can check whether your smartphone works with these operators or not. You can, if you are going to Canada, you can just buy a SIM from any of these operators and just assess the internet connection. Now it's time for the third category, which is the budget smartphones which are available in the market, and under this category I will categorize Samsung Galaxy M40. So here it is, Samsung Galaxy M40. Will Samsung Galaxy M40 work in Canada? So Samsung Galaxy M40 is categorized only in one market, and there is only one version available, that is 6GB 128GB. Now, if we move to the fourth category, it is less than 10,000 rupees. It is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now, there are three types of markets. First is the Chinese, global, and Indian market. These are the versions which are available. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have more queries regarding this, please comment down in the comment section, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you so much.
Spin, spin, spin.